I'm in the process of making some liquid laundry detergent. I'm making several batches as well. I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly. So first thing I did is I heated up 8 cups of water, and this is what the final product. I have 20 meal team borax. You can use any type of dish soap that you prefer. I'm using Dawn. And then I also have some washing soda. If you don't have washing soda available, I do have a video of how to make washing soda out of baking soda. So if you just want to try this and you have some old baking soda in your refrigerator that you wanted to replace anyway, you could use that and just give this a test just to see how it works. 1 container, 1 pound of baking soda is going to make about 3 bottles, 3 2-liter bottles of laundry soap. So if you just want to give it a try, it's a good start. I also have 2 funnels. I have a dry funnel and then a water funnel, liquid funnel. So I'm going to put in the washing soda to start. That was a 1/2 cup of washing soda. We're also going to put a 1/2 cup of borax in there as well. Shake down. We're going to get that all into the container. There's quite a bit. It's filled up to the bottom or the top of these little rises on the 2-liter bottle. We're just going to add our 8 cups of hot water. And then this is where a separate funnel, because we're going to make another batch. We don't want this funnel to get wet. We want that to stay dry. So here's where a separate funnel works nicely. We're just going to pour that in. Next, we're going to shake this container vigorously for about 30 seconds to a minute. After you've shaken that, you're going to notice most all of that powder has dissolved. And then we're just going to add our 1/2 cup of dish soap. Again, it can be any variety you choose. You can also add some essential oils if you choose to add a scent, but this already has a scent. So I'm just going to use that. Here's containers that I've mixed. You can see it's kind of thickened here, and then it's also lighter. So you are going to have to, before I use this, give it a quick shake. Next, you're just going to give it a shake and mix that up. And then what you're going to do is, before every use, you'll just give it a quick shake. And if you have a high efficiency washing machine, what you're going to do is you're going to use a 1/2 cup of this. If you have a high efficiency machine, you're going to use a 1/4 cup of this. And if you have a top loader, you can use a 1/2 cup. What I do is I'm just going to take these containers. When I run out of my commercial laundry soap, what I've done is I just use that bottle. I pour these in. I can use the standard measuring cup that came with the bottle, and I'm good to go. And I don't have a bunch of these blue bottles without a measuring cup to measure out my laundry detergent. So hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And in the post below, let me know, how did this work out for you? Is it good? Is it too strong? Let us know. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.